So over here, when I create task inside of structured, it creates its own icon, as you can see right here. But let's say what I want to do is I want to go ahead and change those icons and colors even. So to do that, you can simply click on the particular task, and then around over here you can click and then choose another task as you want. The one with the stars are premium, the one without are free to use right here. You can even go ahead right here just like this and go to different categories and choose the type of icon that you want. So let me just go around over here. So it says mail meeting minutes. So I'm just going to go around and utilize this mail icon right here. So it makes much more sense. You can also go around over here onto the side and then choose a color for this particular task as well. So let's say this is going to be more of a dark blue color. So you can go ahead and update out the task, and then you got this particular task right here. Similarly, when you create a new task as well, just like this. So let's say, for example, I'm going to say check messages just like this. So let's say, for example, this is going to be in a certain time like 2:15 p.m. That's it. You can go ahead and then go ahead and check, let's say certain, let's say you can change around the topic right here. So I'm just going to go around over here and then choose this particular icon for it, and then choose a particular color for this. So you can go ahead and create a task, and then this is what you have. So you can see that you can visually change out how your particular tasks look like. If I were to go around over here, same goes for the inbox task as well, just like this. So you can go ahead and click and then change around the content for it, and then the color, for example, just like this right here, and then you can update it out and you'll be able to see it out just like this, as you can see on the inbox. And that is how you can edit out task icon and color inside of structured. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share and subscribe.